My name's Jason. I'm going to be your skipper and guide and postman out here today. Giving me a hand with my duties is Tony. So if you've got any questions or any queries for us, or if you just like to come up the front for the view, feel free to come up here anytime. There is, however, a couple of things that I need everybody to keep in mind as you're moving around on this vessel. And the first one is that every doorway on here has a sill beneath it. Those sills can be a wee bit of a trip hazard, so please be mindful of those as you're making your way through the doors. The other thing we need to be careful with on here is going up and down the stairs. Particularly if we run in behind one of these large ferries, which we will do when we come back out of Tory Channel. These vessels will be making their way out. Now, the waves that they generate behind them with their propulsion are a lot steeper than any of the other waves we'll see out here. It can change the angle of the stairs, and it can make you spill your hot drink. So just be mindful of that. I'll let you know if one of these ships are about. Otherwise, please use the handrails that are provided there. Complimentary tea and coffee on board. It's up the front here by us. Please feel free to come and help yourself if you can. There's a Picton in Ontario, Canada. There's also a Picton in New South Wales. We have a population of about 4,000, but during the summer it triples here.
Helemaal best dat passagiers.
Ja.
Join you